Hello everyone, I'm Shankar Achud. Today's date 13 May of 2021. My today's topic name is the how to save transaction. Uh, the digital payment complement should address this problem by the providing a way to different payment uh, payment to business and the transaction and the transfer for the including the last coup- mm, couple by years uh, how how numbers of digital transaction and the era of the current government will the forever be remembered for pushing digital transaction. Two questions that come to my mind are there the transaction safe and to the increases the decreased tax ranges tax ranges uh, if all the start with a visit to one of the local stores of the farmers EFMCG company that has the chain of the retail stores. The uh, India as the store accepted the digital payment like payment etc. is the name of the individual but refers to the provide and automatic electronic bills to its customers. If the inside the store given a handwriters bills, we all the understanding for the reasons behind such uh, plumbing of that could be a topic of another the articles. A story with vegetable the winter on the street it is more or the less than the same digital payment are the accepted but no will see the generated same is the case which some of the found copies shop to the digital payment made to the digital payment made to uh, made mm, made to of the digital payment made to the seller transaction the money into the account of the individual instead of the business the entry. There are also the payments made for the something that of the uh, processes from the cap show that I am the paying uh, many to the related and not of the same the business entity. Uh, this payment that I am the paying day in and day one of made the things one could be the possible the implementations of such digital transaction. First, first the digital transaction is the in the name of the individual. The second of the number and the change vary upon which made of the even more the substituted of the transaction. What is the many two or more and the transaction is the funding undistributable the elements into the economy. The digital trading might only implement me. Thank you for this listening.